I can hear you. Hear you too. Hey. I got the windows.
Oh my god, I can still see, bro.
Yeah.
How are we fighting over?
I don't know.
Hey guys, how you going?
Good stuff.
Anything I can hold on to if I get scared?
Me.
You can hold on to your seatbelt.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, your sister's hand. A bit of support. We're just waiting here. There's a chance we might have somebody else joining this flight as well. Stand by one moment. Alright, we're good to go, guys. Let's boogie. Sure.
डर लग रहा है पापा डरे नहीं थे भाई
Awesome, guys. Welcome to 12 Apostles Helicopters. My name's Henry. I'll be your pilot for the day. If you guys do want to speak to me or speak amongst yourselves, that's all good. Just make sure your microphone's nice and close to your mouth. Otherwise, we won't be able to hear each other. Other than that, sit back and enjoy yourselves. As we come over the coast, you'll see Apostles 1 and 2 on the right, 3 through to 7 on your left. Bit of a bump. How you going there, buddy?
pretty
Go. Awesome, guys. So we've gone past the last of the Apostles now. We'll see them all again lined up both from the west and the east on our way back to the heliport. So from here on in, everything is its own individual feature. Which I'll point out to you as we fly past them. Starting with this island on the right, that's Muttonbird Island. So is this your first time in a helicopter, mate? Can I tell you a secret? Me too. It's my first time too, mate.
Are there sharks in the water?
Yeah, there's lots, and they're all very hungry.
Watch out, brother.
I'm up here, they're down there.
That reminds me as well, actually, guys. Did you guys get the return tickets, or am I dropping you in the water?
I guess you're dropping us.
Yeah.
I've got no choice. If you guys do want to get the return tickets, it's all good. You just need to put $20 in my pocket right now. Well, we're just passing the Bakers Oven off to the right.
I can't hear you.
What?
Oh, we should be able to speak with amongst ourselves, but if you just put the microphone close to your mouth, like if you can hear yourself speaking, then we can hear you as well.
Oh yeah, I can
Just
hear my...
advising my daughter that
I
she
still
can
can't
give the
hear
bag
you.
of cash of $10 million to you.
Oh!
You can jump off.
It's a lot of money. Just off to the right we got Sentinel Rock. That's the tallest feature in the Port Campbell National Park. It's about 200 feet tall. Unfortunately getting a little bit shorter every year.
Why is that?
Just because of erosion. I see something cool as well. One of our helicopters coming through just above us on the left here. Yeah, they believe that the coastline is eroding at about 2 centimetres per year.
Oh.
And that's just due to the strong winds that we get down here and the big swells.
Oh, yeah.
And just out to the right we've got Port Campbell. Beautiful little beach town. There's only about 500 people living there.
Only?
Yeah, yeah. And it's also rumoured to be home to Australia's best pilots. I'm not sure how much truth there is in that.
Oh, yeah. Wow. Kind of peaceful.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's quite nice up here. I was sort of thinking about trying something a bit different today. It's been on my mind for a while. But you see, just out ahead of us, there's a little hole there.
Yeah.
Well, one of the guys told me that you can actually fly this helicopter through there, so if you guys are interested, I'll give it a go.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Is everyone in the back okay?
Yeah.
You guys really wanted me to do that. You guys are brave souls. So I can't do that. I think I'd lose my license.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah.
Alrighty guys, as we come around this point here, you'll be able to see the London Bridge on the right hand side. So it once was a double arched feature with a limestone bridge connecting it to the mainland. But the second half of the bridge fell in 1990, leaving it as its own isolated island.
The London Bridge in London? Are we in London or something?
So just this island coming into view here on the right hand side, that is the London Bridge. That channel between the island and the cliff is where the second half of the bridge once stood.
I think we're in London.
There we go guys, just that island on the right. Alrighty guys, I'm going to turn us around to the left, we'll climb up a little bit higher. And we'll start making our way back to the heliport with the features on the left-hand side of the aircraft. Might feel a little bit racy now as the wind collects us, but it's nothing to worry about. Just going to roll into the turn a little bit steeper. There we go. London Bridge coming back into view. Out on the left-hand side. One of our helicopters coming through just below us on the left again.
I would wave to them, but they probably could not see us.
Are they going faster than us?
We've just got the wind behind us now, so we're actually going a little bit faster. Can you guys guess how fast we're going?
45 kilometers per hour.
Much faster.
Oh.
We're at Mach 1. What?
Not quite that fast. We're going at 120 knots, nautical miles an hour, which was around 230 kilometers an hour.
Oh.
Down.
Which is pretty incredible. It doesn't really feel like we're going that fast, does it?
Yeah.
Yeah, because like, from your far, it looks like you're going really slow.
Yeah, yeah. If we were closer to our ground features, having those references closer, then it would feel a lot faster.
Could be.
Pretty cool feature just out ahead here, guys. You got Sentinel Rock, and just to the right of that, there's a U-shaped cove. That's called Horseshoe Cove, and that's home to a colony of about 500 fairy penguins. Just this U-shaped cove down here.
Penguin?
Yeah,
Penguin.
and they nest in that cave that you can see in the center of the U.
Oh, yeah. A hole in it.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah?
Have you learned how to fly the helicopter yet?
Yeah, I have.
Not
Perfect.
before me.
You can help me then.
Okay.
That's the thing that tells you if you're going east or north.
Yeah, that's my compass. This is what tells me how high I am, or my altitude. This is my speed. This is like an artificial horizon. So it tells me when my my rotor disc is level. If I roll to the right, you'll see it shifts. If I roll to the left, it shifts.
That's cool.
This one's the most important one. How much fuel we have on board. I think we got enough to get back.
You think?
Sorry, I'm optimistic.
Are we going through fog right now?
Yeah, just a really light rain shower. And it should pop through the other side any second now. And just out to the left-hand side here we have the Apostles. So there were actually only ever 8 Apostles, and there's now 7, as one collapsed in 2005.
Oh.
And here they are out on the left-hand side. In a moment, guys, I'm going to turn us around to the left and we'll make our way back into the heliport. But that will be a really good chance for you guys to get some cool views of the Apostles all lined up together before we come back in for a landing.
Oh, okay.
This is where I do all my checks, make sure that everything in the helicopter is looking good.
Is it?
Yeah, everything's great. Everything's perfect. Awesome. That view of the Apostles should be popping into view out on the left any moment now.
All in line.
There we go, how's that for a view?
Very nice.
Yeah. Really nice. Oh, it looks like a photo I've seen through Google.
A what?
Like, you know those Google photos that appear?
Yeah, yeah.
Google photos, correct.
That's awesome. Nobody's ever said that before. I think that's I'm going to hang on to that. Cool, thank you so much for flying with us today, guys. I hope you've enjoyed yourselves and enjoy the rest of your time on the Great Ocean Road.
Thanks a lot.
It's been a pleasure. You guys have been such fun passengers.
You land there, right?
Yeah, that's where we're coming in to land.
Looks like
Which
Frosty.
circle?
Probably the second one in from the left.
Oh, you scared?
No. I briefly succumbed to gravity.
Right.
Oh, if you guys do get the chance as well, please leave a review on Google for us.
Sure.
We'd really appreciate that. If you happen to throw my name into it, that'd be great.
I can see the grass moving.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all our rotor wash. Thanks so much, guys. Take it easy, mate.